Welcome back, Algebra students. To conclude this lesson, we're going to talk about deductive reasoning. And deductive reasoning is just basically the process of finding an example to disclaim something. So a counterexample that's going to prove it true or false, or prove it false. So for example, if I take a look at A times B equals B plus C. So is this true or false? Well, we assume that it's true. And now let's try to find a counterexample. So I'm going to pick, I guess I'll just pick like a 5 times 3. Now, is that going to be the same as, I think that should be an A right there, not a C. So 5 times 3, and then is it going to be 3 plus 5? So I get a 15 on the left side, and I get an 8 on the other side, and this is false, which tells us that this cannot be true. So that's the process of deductive reasoning. If you can find a counterexample, then we can prove that thing to be, or that statement to be false. Another example. Let's go down to A plus B, grouped together, plus C equals B plus, in the grouping of A plus C. In this scenario, I'll just pick out some numbers here. I'll use 5 again, plus 3. C, I'll just use a 2. 3, just following the example here, B is 3, A is going to be 5 plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to get, on the left-hand side, I group together the 5 plus 3 is 8, add 2 is 10. On the other side, I get, in the grouping, 5 plus 2 is 7, add 3 is 10. So that's not, that example worked. It's not a counterexample. And maybe I would try some more numbers. And I'm looking at this, and this right here is a property of the associative property and the commutative property, where it moves things around and it's regrouping. So this is a true statement, and therefore there is no counter example that is going to exist. Okay, let's go with the following example is jk equals k plus 0 times j. So let's pick out some numbers here. I'll pick a 5 and a 3. And then k is going to be 3 plus 0 times 5. All right, well, I'll get my 15 on the left-hand side. 3 plus 0, that's the identity property, and it's going to be 3 times 5. And that is true. It's going to be 15 equals 15. And maybe you want to try some other numbers, maybe some negative numbers or different values. And this is going to hold true. And it holds true because on the left-hand side is the identity property. I'm sorry, on the right-hand side is the identity property with the plus 0. And then I'm just switching the order. So that's going to be the commutative property. So this is going to be a true statement. So there's nothing that's going to be a counter example to disclaim that statement. Let's look at our final example here, and I'll just continue using the same numbers. I'll put my 5 right here. I'll put a 3 plus 1 equals 5 times 3 plus 1. So on the left-hand side, I'll take the 3 plus 1 is 4, and then times it by 5 is 20. Excuse me. On the right-hand side, I have to multiply first, which is going to be 15. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. This is false. This is not true, which tells us that we have a counterexample, and that statement is not a true statement. So this is a process of deductive reasoning. As you can see, there's 2 of them that you can find counterexamples, and sometimes they model your properties from above. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me when you continue your assignment.